In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge image and text in PowerPoint. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide where you'd like to merge the image and text. This sets the stage for your design work. Once that's complete, head over to the Insert tab located at the top of the interface. By selecting this, you'll open up various options for adding content to your slide. Next, you'll want to click on Pictures to add an image from your device or online sources. This action will prompt a dialog box where you can choose the image you wish to use. With that out of the way, position your selected image on the slide where you want it to appear. You can resize and adjust the placement to ensure it fits the design you have in mind. From here, navigate back to the Insert tab and select Text Box. This will allow you to draw a text box on your slide to input any text you desire. Now type the text you want to merge with the image into the text box. Feel free to adjust the font, size, and color to match your slide's theme. Finally, to seamlessly blend the text with the image, you'll need to layer them correctly. Click on the image and use the Bring Forward or Send Backward options under the Arrange group in the Picture Tools Format tab. This helps you achieve the perfect overlap and visual harmony between the text and image. And there you have it. You've successfully merged image and text in PowerPoint, enhancing the visual impact of your presentation.